Hello, everyone. I'm Chef Norman Van Aken, and I'm excited to be joining you for Share the Love. This is an amazing charity event that's going to help lots of people get the wheelchairs they need. When I was asked to participate, I was really touched. I wish that we could all be in the new location for Norman's in Orlando, but that is coming very soon, and we'll be able to see you come there, and I'll be feeding you from there. But for tonight, we're going to be cooking together. It's going to be a lot of fun. You just follow the simple instructions, and we're going to have a fine dinner at the end of it. I'm going to give you a couple little specific things to do, so I'm going to read from the notes. Before you do anything else, just click on the link below to sign up for the very first episode of Cuisine for the Cause. You will get a recipe and instructions to cook for our session together, and better yet, the select VIP part of it, and you will get my cookbook, a signature apron, and we will donate a wheelchair in your name if you're on that VIP part. Now that is really cooking with love. So to review, click, sign up, go shopping, and start chopping. I'll be with you. I'll see you on the 29th at 7 o'clock at night. Thanks, everybody. Have a great one.